Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now, unboxing. So this one's going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to do a little bit of talking why I unbox this, and you're going to understand the reason why I'm going to be talking about it. So let me just move this keyboard out of the way for you guys real quick. And let's get to the package, which is right here. So let's get some of that dust and stuff off this table. There we go. Okay. So, you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So let me just talk about the reason why I got this package right here, why I ordered this, and why I have my ROG Ally X right here. I actually ordered this, the handheld DIY Hall Effect thumbsticks, and I'm going to tell you why I actually purchased this. It's the simple fact is I've been getting a lot of people saying that this is the best thing that helps out with the controller, with you know, stick drift. I don't really care about stick drift, to be honest. I mostly care about the dead zones, and that's all I really care about is dead zones, especially when it comes towards handhelds. That's the reason why I don't buy handhelds really. I upgraded from my ROG Ally to the ROG Ally X, the ROG Ally X, however you want to say it. The problem that I have with this is that the ROG Ally X has, and all handhelds have this problem, is basically a dead zone. It's called a micro dead zone. So the micro dead zone is basically if you take your finger and you just do a little rotation like this, as you can see what I'm doing with this hand right here. And the problem is when you do that, it has no reaction towards it. So when you're doing a micro rotations like this, which I'm going to show it on the screen right now, it's not going to be synced up right now, but I'm just showing you a fast video of micro dead zone. So when I'm doing something like this, it's not registering. So as you can see in the video I'm showing you guys right now, you can see that it has no rotation towards it when I'm doing it. Now if I was to use this type of controller right here, which is my Scuff, or my Fly Digi, which I'm going to show you just some video right now showing me doing a little rotations like that, you're going to see that, you're going to see movement on it. And that's the problem that these handhelds have, that the micro dead zones is really bad. So if you're a player like me that does sniping and stuff like that, quick scoping and stuff like that, or which I'm going to show a video right now, basically showing you guys how centering up right now, because this has that micro dead zone. When I try to basically get my controller or my sniper rifle leveled up, whatever like that, you want to notice that I can't aim it correctly, and that's the problem I'm having. So I'm just showing you basically what a controller look like with micro dead zones. So I'm actually using a different controller that actually has the exact same problem with this. Is one of my other controllers that has that micro dead zone on it. So that's basically what I'm showing. So sorry guys, I took up your time just showing you an unboxing, but there's other videos basically out there showing you the unboxing of this. So you get this, and you get a tool right here. You get the thumbsticks right there, screwdriver, guitar pick thingy, and this is clutch. I meant to get me one of these, a plastic, why I can't think of the freaking name of it. I can't think of it. I can't think of the freaking name, what you call this. Tweezers, sorry. Plastic tweezers right here. This is something I meant to get because I do be needing this, so this comes in clutch. I'm not going to be doing an installation video. As you can see, this is how it comes. This is not going to be an installation video for this. This is just showing you it. I have another video after I install all this. I have a video that I'm going to be having that's going to basically be showing you all the if it worked or not. So after I do this video, it's going to basically just be showing you guys if it works or not. So that's going to be a conclusion at the video. So yeah, this is the the handheld DIY Hall Effect thumbsticks for the ROG Ally X, and I'll let you know if this actually works or not with my up-to-date video. All right, guys, so it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, only use me Tomax, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Peace.